learners, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll talk about how to model this part into Catia V5 interface. So here we have the drawing of the part. As you can see, it has 20 mm in outer dia and this dia is 11.75. This ID is 7 and this has a through hole in it. Its dimension is 7 mm. So let's begin. Let's go to Catia. So here we are already inside part design module. So we will begin with creating a sketch on a plane. So I have selected this plane and go to sketch, click sketch. Now I will make the side profile of the object. Here as you can see, I will begin by creating this half profile in Catia. So here I will select line. I'll make I will make a vertical line and a horizontal line and again vertical line and again horizontal line and again vertical and again horizontal and close the loop. Now I'll begin dimensioning. So for dimensioning, I'll give this dimension which is the outer dia. Outer dia is 20 mm. So this is radius. So I'll give half of 20 which is 10 mm. So this is 10 mm and this dia, as we see in the drawing, this dia that I am talking about, this dia is 11.75 and radius is half of that. So for that 11.75 divided by 2. That's it. Now this length, total length is 12.5 and this is 5. Now give the length dimension. This is 12.5, right? Zoom a bit. This is 12.5 and this length is 5 mm. So I'll give it as 5. This is 5, right? So I have made the outer profile and for this inside hole I'll again make this dotted line. So its inside diameter is 7 mm. So I will take a line horizontal at 3.5 mm. So for this I will use offset command. I need a line offset to this at 3.5. I will make it 3.5. So here I have got the line. I will zoom it. Here the line. Now I will simply delete all other lines, this and this. Okay, and this line also I will delete. Here some relations have gone. And don't worry, again specify these dimensions, right? Like that. This is that, and from here to here, it is. Let me check in the drawing. This dimension 11.75 divided by 2, which comes out to be this. Okay, now I will make this and this to coincident. Okay, and here all the sketch is green, so I can come out of the sketch. Here I will rotate this profile about this h-axis. So for this I will go to Shaft command. Here I will select the profile. Next is the axis. In axis, click H. So here it is generated the preview. So click OK. So now I have made the part. That's it in this session. Till then, see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.